Hello dear students, today in this session we are going to start friction, last 5 years questions which has been asked in JEE exam, and we will see and we will apply the basic concept, so we can make checklist and we can apply those concepts in coming our NEET and JEE exam. See the first question here, already written here. In 2003 this question has been asked based on friction. One block is resting against the wall and the force is applied, and that is pressed by this force, and force value given at 10 Newton, and coefficient of friction is given mu to 0.2. Then if F is equal to 10 Newton, then weight of block is what would be the weight of block. So this question is very basic question, but how you can solve in a very quick way. So you can this block is in resting, what's given, we need to see what given and we need to apply the basic concept, so we can solve basic apply concept and get the answer. So see this block is in rest, so what would be, that is mg, and there is a force of friction will act. This is a F and there is a normal reaction by wall. So there is no motion, so N must be equal to F, and that already given 10 Newton, and Fr must be equal to what, mg, and mg, that is we need to calculate weight, that is weight and weight of body, and Fr we can find that implies weight Fr, I mean mu n, and mu n 10, and mu you can put what value of mu, 0.2. so answer would be 2 Newton. So answer will be 2 Newton. So see, this is a basic question. Now next question 2, and what's next question, JEE 2004 it has been asked. One block of mass M is resting on inclined plane with inclination 30 degree. Fr is given, also coefficient of friction 0.8 is given. So if block is resting, then mass of block is in kg, you have to calculate 1.6 to 25. So see how this is just like this, but it's on inclined plane, so you can solve like on inclined plane. If it's resting, then you know this is what's mg, and this is angle already 30 degree. So mg component here, mg sine 30 degree, and this one mg cos 30 degree, and this is a perpendicular n, and force of friction will be balanced by mg sine 30 degree without any sliding in this block. So Fr must be equal to mu n, Fr must be greater or equal to mg sine 30 degree. So only and Fr can be written as, because n is equal to mg cos 30, so mu mg cos 30 degree you can write it. So here already Fr is given, so no need to calculate here. Fr here given 10 Newton, so you can apply 10 is equal to mg sine theta, and you can get the answer very quick way. That is Fr must Fr is balanced by mg sine 30 degree, and that Fr given. So what you need to calculate m, so you can find the value of m, that is m is equal to Fr by g sine 30, and g sine 30 I mean we can write here. So Fr given 10, and just here that is Fr, m you can write here Fr that is 10, and by g in question it given 10 you can put, and sine 30 that is 1 upon 2, and that would be 1 into 2, that is tt. So what would be answer? 2 kg. So which answer is correct? This first answer is correct. So these two questions very I mean this medium Now third question we will see JEE 12 question, that is third question here insect, there is an insect on hemispherical surface, and insect cannot slide on the surface, so find maximum value of alpha here. Mu is given 1/3. So here this insect can't slide, so it can be in equilibrium, and see this force of friction will managed by the component of force of gravity. So we can solve like this. This is like this one, and this is a surface hemispherical, and this insect already, this is the radius of curvature, and this is angle alpha, and body is here, suppose that m, so mg will act here, and this one is alpha, this alpha, so this alpha, normal reaction will be like this, and mg component will be here, mg cos alpha, and that's the perpendicular mg sin alpha, and force of friction like this, and Fr must be equal to mu n. So if this body can't slide, then Fr must be greater or equal to mg sin alpha, and on this basis we can find mu, that implies, and n is equal to here mg cos alpha, and that implies we can write Fr for without sliding, you can write Fr is equal to mg sin alpha, and we can write mg mu n, and you can put mu mg cos alpha is equal to mg sin alpha, mg cancel, and that implies tan alpha is equal to mu, and mu that is given 1/3, and that implies cot alpha is equal to 3, that is answer. So answer is this is cot alpha is equal to 3. So answer is cot alpha. So which of the force of friction by wall on block B? So here you can see force of friction by wall on block B. So you can suppose this system, and Fr will be upward, and there is one more data is given like F force applied on this system, but the value of F is not given, and Fr you have to calculate. So it's very easy, you don't have to break the system, this one just make its system MA and MB. So we can find here like MA plus MB, and this one is MA plus MB into G, that is weight and force of friction Fr, and this is Fr must balance because this system is in rest condition. So Fr must be equal to MA plus MB into G, and weight is given MAG MBG already given, so you can write 20 and plus 100, so 120 Newton, this is the answer. So 120, this is equal